Hello everyone, it's Meg from Meg's Lace and Paper Alchemy. Welcome to the Ephemera Hunt Part 3. Today I'm sharing a lovely Facebook Marketplace find, a bundle of vintage postcards and an ephemera pack with some beautifully grungy papers. So this lady is on Marketplace and she'd put together a variety of ephemera, and then I requested some postcards and other things at the same time. So let's see what we
So she
have.
had this one parcel that she'd put together, and I hadn't really seen it. It was just a jumble of items, ephemera, and I always love a jumble of items, especially ephemera, because you can just use snippets, bits and pieces, and all the different effects that you can get from them. So let's open this together and we'll have a look. So first of all, I'm eyeing off this grunge. I've got a grunge album in the makings at the moment, so look at that one for age. That looks fantastic. Lloyd's Bank Limited, London, from 1934. Love that blue. It's almost like a duck egg blue. How fabulous is that? I'm really happy with this little package already. Can definitely use this one. Some greetings from a pub. An identity card. Now that's pretty cool. 1942. Okay, identity card. Goblin Sweets, Scanlons. Printed in England. Oh, that's cool. A letter card. Ansett buses, I remember that line. Brisbane. Panama. It's like a ticket or something. Have to Google that one. Department of Railways, 1955, a ticket. An old envelope. Philippines, Manila. 1937. General Store valuation fee from 1961. A taxi credit, 1989. Real mixture of things. This one is a little envelope from 1920. I think they used to use the black bordered ones to do with funerals. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to do a bit of research. I love these old tickets. A business card. The grunge is just perfect. Club Hotel from a pub. With the 10 Commandments on it from a pub. So that's strange. Oh, hang on. Club Hotel, but it also says railways. It's a pass for railways. Shell touring service. Some pages from a Pear's Gardening Dictionary. This is a great bundle. She did this whole bundle for $15 Australian, which I think is phenomenal. Feeling quite spoiled. More of the Pear's Office Compendium, the fashions. It's just fantastic. 1961, a program, potholes and potato salad. Looks like it was a music concert. Some fabulous tickets again. 1894, this one's from. Great envelopes. It's almost like a paper fan. That's pretty amazing. I've never seen one of these in person yet. She said it was old and a bit damaged, but I was welcome to it if I'd like it. So that is going to look quite pretty in a journal, some pieces of that. The grunge is perfect. Mine host, free pass, is good on all railways. That's another railway pass by the look of it. A sketch map. Gulliver in the Cotswolds, so that's from England. A little book from Gulliver's Travels. Now this is a separate pack that I asked to purchase. I saw she had. So they're little cards, little greeting cards. Oh, now look at that. These are things I've searched for but have never come across, so these are going to be great for tuck spots. A happy Christmas Eve. Hearty greetings. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Beautiful embossing. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a shame the card makers and the people that do make the embossing folders don't make some folders small like this. I think that would just sell so well to junk journalers. That is gorgeous. Another New Year's Day one. Now this one's sweet. Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. And back to the beginning. Oh, now these are the postcards. I've loved her postcards. She said she'd pop a few in for the ones that weren't that great. Some extras. That's actually a modern one, 1993. We've got some picture postcards. Brilliant fashions. Looks like an old football team almost. Some of them a bit old and grunge, but I've got that grunge album coming up and everything's useful. So they're not the prices that were on the back. She's just put all these bits together in a little package. Oh, that's sweet. That's super sweet, little boy. 1913. And I don't know what this one is. Some extra. Friendship book. William Hudson. I like the scroll on the writing. I think these will be great for tuck spots, side of pages. So that's brilliant. Now these are extras. So she's actually put in some extras, which is very kind of her. So that's absolutely beautiful. Some vintage antique pieces. Oh, and a collar. Very generous. And I do love a doily. These are so sweet. And this pink. Very generous. A silk hanky. It feels like it's silk. Ah, oh, and look at this piece. Now that is stunning. Now I don't wash these pieces. I do have a segment about how I freeze bits down when I do receive them. I was researching online, you can check out my other video about it, that if you pop everything into the freezer and keep it there for a good week, and there is a process to it, it actually kills anything that there may be in whether it's silverfish or moth eggs or anything. Not that there is anything, but I just do it to protect my stash. This is really pretty. I'm wondering if this is actually the postcard bundle that I bought and the others were freebies. I think the others were freebies. I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. Beautifully wrapped. These are the postcard bundle that I bought. The other postcards she's put in there kindly for free as a package. Let's just come back to these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Ah. Can definitely use these on my books, my journals. Okay, so this is the package I saw that she put together that I purchased. I can remember now because these are the embossed roses. So the other ones were freebies. These other ones were just freebies. She's popped in that package for me, which was so generous. Just looking for dates. Can't quite see, but it's American on the front. $19.11, and that one's actually stuck to the other one, so I'll leave it stuck, but that's fine. I absolutely love this one. That's going to be beautiful. Anything's a bonus, I think. Now that's gorgeous. The embossed Birthday Joys, 1917. I haven't seen these ones with a little note envelope on the front. That's very sweet. Love the aged patina on the backs. Violets, absolutely stunning. September 12. Can't quite see the date though. 1900. Oops, it's a lovely embossed one too. Birthday greetings. $19.08. I love it when you can read the stamps with the postmarks on them, which does give you the date they were posted and made, the time period. Looks like 1907. Well, this is going to keep me busy. 1912. So overall, I am really, really happy with these. What a brilliant, beautiful package that she sent. Just blown away with all these extras. So, so generous. Just beautiful. Definitely be purchasing again.
Thanks so much for joining me on this ephemera hunt. I loved uncovering these vintage treasures with you. If you enjoyed this, don't miss my next video where we're visiting a charming haberdashery store. Everything there has been reclaimed and given a new life.